we're 8 miles away. Got to charge the car down to 15%, so see how this goes. So the first charging lead isn't working, so we're just moving round car to the second charger and see what happens. I've got my Apple if you want to use.
Yeah, I can't get past this at the moment. Then it kept saying something to her about getting it, use the app. She said, I don't want to get another app.
Bring back cash, diesel.
Let's decline, you're going to have to trade in. I know, we've got to try something different then, haven't you? There you go.
Through my bank. I'm paying for it now. That won't happen every time. Thank you very much for your help, buddy. Appreciate that.
Dobbies or dobbies?
Well, I said dobbies.
Cause you and me, woman, we got a lot of things on our minds. Walking on the beaches, looking at the beaches.
So that was quite a nice little coffee stop. We're at a charging point that's 150 kilowatts per hour, so let's go and see what we got to. We're about 5 minutes away from the Airbnb in York. Lovely. So we've just got back. It's charged it to 56%, and then it said there was an error charging and it's disconnected, causing me a bit of anxiety. This is right. Airbnb. Here we go.
Oh shit! There goes the Caravan. Looks like I'm gonna be stuck here the whole summer. Well, what a bummer. I can think of a lot worse places to be, like down in the street, or down in the sewer, or even on the end of a skewer.
So what we don't experience in this wild place we call York is the man called Dave. Oh my God, he's got wet fingers from where he's done the washing up. This is the first time in 80 years. You'll never see this again in history. These are the supervisors, and they're doing a little bit more than supervising today. They're actually washing up.
Doing it, 3 answers. For example, you could answer urine, blood or tears.
Yeah, instead of semen. Name 3 people that have had plastic surgery and you can't say Jordan and Simon Cowell. Go. Done. Over. Go. Dirt, food, semen. Semen.
I love it. Preferably your husband.
Adultery, can't cook, and
And you cook.
Can't use the can't cook, mate. But adultery was very good.
Name 3 things you nibble. Crisp, chocolate and
You're not recording, are you?
Saturday,
11. You are.
11.
No!
You don't do it properly.
Do it properly.
8, 9, 11.
To you!
Morning.
Morning. Welcome to the Shambles.
We're at the Shambles
in York.
In York.
Golden brown texture like sun lays me down. With my mind she runs throughout the night. No need to fight, never a frown with golden brown. Every time, just like the last, on on her ship, tied to the mast, to distant lands, takes both my hands, never a frown, with golden brown. A temptress, through the ages she's heading west. From far away, stays for a day, never a frown, with golden brown.
Was that it?
I'm lucky. 4 times.
Mr. Level.
What is it then? Minster House?
York Minster.
York Minster. That doesn't sound right. There's 2 Miss Divas
Mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Evening comes around and it's time to go to town. Where do you go? To rock and roll. The old folks say that you gotta end your date by 10. If you're out on a date and you bring it home late, it's a sin. Just ain't no excuse. You know you're gonna lose and never win. You know I'll say it again, and it's all because your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Oh, when evening rolls around and it's time to go to town, where do you go? To rock and roll.
Should we go in the Fat Badger then? Well, let's go and see where the secret garden is.
Have you got a secret garden?
We do, yes.
Is it in the sun?
It is.
Ah, okay.
Pint of your finest non-alcoholic Estrella, please.
Yes.
Oh, no, I was joking. I want alcohol. I was just trying to sound good
Oh, fair
in front of the wife.
Oh, of course, yes.
Sorry.
I'm going to have, if you've got it, a bottle of Coke. Do you have bottles?
Oh, we have 0 bottles.
Are you nicking the best seats in the beer garden, did you say? Excuse me. Excuse me. No. You heard the sun thing, didn't you? Well, I will sit on his knee, tell him.
Yeah, tell me.
I don't want you landing on me. I mind that hose pipe, but they've done it on purpose, haven't they?
Yeah.
Thank you, mate.
Go straight across. They're trying to take the wives out. That's what they're doing.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
We'll come here again then. Bloody hell, after a few, this is dangerous. No, it gets wonky up here as well.
Where you go? Rock and roll. To rock and roll. I rock and roll. Where you go? Rock and roll. Where you go? I rock and roll. Where you go?
So, this is my view in the beer garden, but let me just raise it up a bit like that. Oh, hello. free beers. Hello.
Yeah, you go in.
You alright?
Yeah.
Want to stop two shoelaces up, Dawn? Let me know. We're back to our pub in a minute. York Minster at the top there, look. Boom, boom, boom.
No, stop it!
No! No, Billy, stop it!
Sorry.
Don't get this invested, mate, do you?
That's just what we say.
Yeah, you don't. This is beautiful.
Beautiful.
And do you know what? It's nice that it's free.
Did you know this was built though? No. When was this built? Oh my god. You've got it?
Yeah. Don't do your own shoelaces undone again, Dawn,
No.
please. You're blocking the path, guys. No, seriously. Go on, push them past.
So I want to read the plaque.
Oh, Dave, out the way of the plaque, mate.
Golden brown texture like sun.
Nice though, isn't it? If you want to walk around the city, this is great, isn't it?
Not the fastest thing to do actually.
You what, bit? You what?
I said it's great to walk around the city, isn't it? Rooftop right?
Every time, just like the last, on her ship, tied to the mast, to distant lands, takes both my hands.
You want to build a camera, don't you? Just found my wife's perfect campervan. Wouldn't quite believe it, but a bit dirty. Needs an MOT, taxing, bit of a clean, but it's perfect for Whiffy, that is. Whiffy's adventures start. And there she is.
The thing with dinner was launching off at you. Oh, cheers again.
Yeah.
Lovely
How many times have you said this today? Cheers.
That's a nice stuff.
Strolling along, minding my own business.
So we're charging up. This is the second garage we've got to. We finally got electric car charge.
On the third pump.
We're stuck in York.
Down. Walking on the beaches, looking at the beaches. Well, I got the notion, girl, that you got some suntan lotion in that bottle of yours. Spread it all over my peeling skin, baby. That feels real good. All this skirt, lapping up the sun, lap me up. Why don't you come on and lap me up? Walking on the beaches, looking at